Hello everyone, this is Kartik and welcome back to codolearn. So guys, in this video tutorial we are going to solve another HackerRank problem, which is find a string. So before getting late, let's get straight into our amazing tutorial. So guys, in this challenge the user enters a string and a substring. You have to print the number of times that the substring occurs in the string in the given string. So string transversal will take place from left to right, not from right to left. So guys, for this question you have to acquire knowledge over what is substring. So go acquire knowledge over substring first and then come back to this video. So guys, now in this challenge the user enters a string and a substring too, and we have to print the numbers of times the substring occurs in the given main string. So and we have to use the string transversal from left to right, not from right to left. So there is a given note by HackerRank developers that string letters are case sensitive, so we have to make sure about that also. So there is an input format. The first line of input contains the original string and the next line contains the substring. Okay, that's fine, that makes sense obviously. And in the constants, you can see each character in the strings is an unique character type sort of. And now here we can see output format. Output the integer number indicating the total number of occurrences of the substring in the original string. That means you have to print how many times the substring occurs in the main given string. So here you can see ABCD and our substring is CDC. So here you can see CDC. So and it occurs 2 times in our main string, so we have to print 2. Now here you can see concept, some string processing examples, such as you can click on this link and acquire knowledge over it. So here you can see the to transverse through the length of a string, you can use a for loop. So guys, that's fine and that's okay. So now let's copy this piece of code and in a Vim editor just paste it over here. And guys, we don't need to touch this if statement because it's logged, so we have to just focus on this function, which is count substring. So guys, instead of first of all here we have to create a counter and we will name it as c is equal to 0. It is a counter, and just we have to use a simple for loop and we are good to go. So in the for loop we have to use for I in the range of the length, of the string, like this, in the range of the length of the string, or not like this, string, something like this. And then we have to create a if else inside that, and we have to say if sub underscore string, like this. Let's say if sub string is equal to string of ith value, something like this, and the length of sub underscore string, something like this. So then we have to just do c plus is equal to 1. So what does this for loop means? So the for loop says that if I in the range of the length of the main given string, we have to perform a if else, and that if else is if substring is equal to string ith length, then the length of substring, and then we have to increase the counter by 1. So we'll do plus is equal to 1 for increasing the counter. So Control S to save, not Control S to :W to save. And now let me open my CMD over here, and first of all from here let me copy the file path, copy as path, and here let's type Python, paste it over here, and okay, something like this. So it is asking for an input. So here you can see, let's copy this thing over here and paste it over here, and let's see what will happen. Okay, okay, there's an error that substring we have to do here, substring. Okay, here substring, and now let's do Python, paste it like this. Let's see ABCD. So now let's see what will gonna happen. None. So why it is printing none? Okay, so let me see why it is printing none. So we created a counter. Okay, that's fine, and we created for I in range of length of string. that's also fine. We created a if statement. If substring is equal to string of ith value type, then we'll do length of substring and then counter of plus and return. So I think that's fine, but why does let me do select all, copy this out and paste it in our code editor. Okay, let me copy this thing and paste it over here, and now let's see what will gonna happen. Why it is saying none? Because okay, let me run the code like this. Okay, none. Why it is saying none? Okay guys, I understand the problem. So we didn't return C here, so we have to just return the C and type it over here, and now submit the code, and you will see all the test cases has been passed. So guys, I hope you understand and enjoy this video and this problem. So in the next tutorial we are going to solve more. So for that, bye bye, see you later and take care.